There was an error with problem number 6. Same problem. It starts out just the same way. We have this cosine, 4 cosine squared, x minus 3. And just like in the previous video, you would add 3 to both sides, divide by 4, take the square root, get 2 answers. The issue is the cosine of positive square root of 3 over 2 happens to be pi over 6. And if we have cosine of x equaling negative root 3 over 2, that's when you're going to get 5 pi over 6. And the next place that it would be true is at a 7 pi over 6, where it would be negative root 3 over 2. The cosine would be negative root 3 over 2. And at 11 pi over 6, the cosine of 11 pi over 6 is positive root 3 over 2. It's the same thing before, as we noticed in this pattern, that to go from pi over 6 to 7 pi over 6, you would add pi. To go from 5 pi over 6 to 11 pi over 6, you'd add pi. And so you'll find that in this case, this pattern, where you're starting with either pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6, the pattern is you're just adding pi. And so instead of what I had on the previous video, which was pi over 3s, this is, or you'd have pi over 6 plus any pi, not any 2 pi, but any pi. And that's because we ended up with the plus or minus, that it just goes from one quadrant to the other. And when you're going around the unit circle, and you're realizing that it just would every pi, this the ratio for the angles would repeat.